Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. This is a convenient way to quickly access your favorite websites. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. Then, select Bookmarks and Lists. If your current setting has the bookmarks bar visible, you will see an option to hide it. On the other hand, if your bookmarks bar is hidden, you will see an option to show it. In the latest version of Google Chrome, many users have reported an issue where the Show or Hide Bookmarks bar setting does not work properly. If you encounter this issue, simply open a new tab to see the changes take effect. Hopefully, Chrome will fix this bug in future updates. Additionally, you can also use a keyboard shortcut to quickly toggle the bookmarks bar. Just press Ctrl-Shift-B if you're using Windows or Command-Shift-B if you're on a Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.